Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mode. Today we have an interesting problem. We have 2 to the 10th power times 8 to the 20th power and times 16 to the 30th power, and we need to find these products. How can you solve it? Take a look. We have a really huge number because 2 to the 10th power is a huge number. If we multiply this by 8 to the 20th power, we will have a really huge number, and if we multiply this by 16 to the 30th power, we will have a really huge number, and if we rate it, it is the longest method how to solve it. But I want to show you a really good trick how to solve it. Take a look. We know that 2 cube equal to 8, so we can write this 8 as 2 cube. But in our case we raise this 8 to the 20th power, so we need to raise 2 cube to the 20th power. And take a look, 2 to the 4th power equal to 16. So we can write this 16 as 2 to the 4th power raised to the 30th power, because we have 30th power right here. And we need to know the rule. If we have 8 to the power x raised to the power y, we need to multiply this 8 to the power x times y, multiplying our powers if we have situation like that. And it's not hard to see. Take a look what we will have. We will have 2 to the 10th power, first element, times, right here we have 2 cubed to the 20th power. If we use this rule, we will have 2 to the power 3 times 20 will be 60 power, and times 2 to the power 4 times 30 will be 2 to the power 120. So we just simplify this using this logic. What we're going to do next? We need to know a really good rule. We use this rule under all of this element. If we have 8 to the power x times 8 to the power y, we can write it as 8 to the power x plus y. So if we have same base but different exponent, and if we have a product, so we can write it as this base to the power of the sum of two powers, what we will have. But in our case we have 3 elements, so it's not hard to see that we will have 2 to the power 10 plus 60 and plus 120. Doesn't matter if you have 4 elements, you need to add one more power. Of course you need to have 2. What we will have as a result? We will have 2 to the power 10, 60 and 120. We will have 2 to the power 190. Really good case, because we need to learn about the power rules, first rule and the second rule. It's really good, it's a really important rule, so remember this rule, learn this rule. It's really good to know this. And our answer is 2 to the power 119. If you still have any question, write your question in a comment. It will be really interesting to read it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.